Hello programmer, welcome back to another tutorial on PHP, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you about do while loop. Where in a previous tutorial we have learned about while loop. In a while loop, first we check the condition. If the condition is true, then this block of code is executed, and the execution of this code is repeat again and again while this condition remain true. But in a do while loop, we start with do. This is the body of do while loop. Here we write a code which we want to execute. So I'm gonna write echo this is number x. After this, we increment x to track how many times this code has been executed. At last, we write while and give a condition so that this block of code can repeatedly execute for a certain number of time. In a do while loop, this code is executed once without checking a condition. And to show this, I'm gonna give a false condition. X is less than or equal to 5. This is a false condition. And here it print this is 1. Even this condition is false. Now I'm gonna change this condition slightly. And here it print this is number 1, this is number 2, and up to this is number 5. Now let's see how we got this output. At first we assign 1 into x, then when this code is executed, it print this is number 1. Then we increase the value of x. Now x become 2, and it check the condition, is x less than or equal to 5. If this condition is true, then again this code is executed. If the condition is false, then the do while loop terminate. But at this time, the condition 2 is less than or equal to 5 is true. So this code is execute and print this is number 2. Now x become 3, and this loop is repeat again and again. At last, when x become 5, then the condition 5 is less than or equal to 5 is true. So for the last time, it print this is number 5, and x become 6. Now the condition x is less than or equal to 5 is false, and do while loop terminate. At last, do while loop execute the code first and then check the condition. But while loop check the condition first and then execute the code. And if you have any question on this tutorial, then let me know on the comment section, and I will see you on the next tutorial.